Mother Road Harley-Davidson is rolling Daytona, giving you a chance to win a brand new 2024 Road Glide Limited, a beautiful Harley-Davidson motorcycle, and many other prizes. Swing by the dealership today, pick up your rolling Daytona voucher, and register to win. Be sure to enter the voucher number while you're registering, and if you win that motorcycle, you'll get a $1,000 bonus check. I'm Jesse James Dupree. You can be standing on stage with me Friday night, March the 8th, during my concert at Destination Daytona. You can be one of 10 finalists. You'll pick a key out of the bucket, and if your key unlocks the forks and cranks that motorcycle, you are the big winner. So Mother Road Harley-Davidson has your chance to win. Mother Road Harley-Davidson is rolling Daytona. Pa-pow!